This illustration deals with ground fault protection, GFCI, in accordance with NEC 545.28. So NEC 545.28 is ground fault circuit interrupters that is a symbol identified as GFCIs. The purpose of the change was to accept a new section. A new section has been added to address ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCI, for buildings and structures that can be relocated. Now, notice we just have a structure building here, and notice we would have a structure 1, 2, 3, or 4 that would be connected together to really produce and form a structure. And then notice it's you can relocate it. It's connected together as structures. And it's a manufactured type building in compliance with 545.1 and 2, and then 540.27 addresses where they can be connected together. And we're just showing you kind of a crude drawing here that where they're connected together, you can form 4 structures here. And to review these notes now, let's start with note 1 to the right of the 4 structures there. And in addition to requirements of 210.8b, note 2 kicks in. All receptacles installed in compartments accessible from the outside, GFCI protection. 3, the relocated structure shall be provided with GFCI protection for personnel as outlined in notes 1 through 3, which are based on 545.28. 4, and the last note we want to review here, the structures have access from the outside as outlined in 545.26. So this new section is outlining for the person installing these systems where this GFCI protection is required.